Hey guys, it's Courtney. I'm with my friend Leslie. We're gonna do the watermelon challenge. Okay, taking off my whole bag of watermelon that we're ready to throw at each other with. Okay.
Scared they're gonna be cold.
Oh. Come on, take off your shoes. Don't throw it at me that hard. Hold on, don't throw it yet. Don't throw it yet. Yeah. Yeah. Move your shoe. Let's go. Pop it on me, hurry. We do it on ourselves now. Get on her head. Hold on, I didn't bite mine yet. How can you not open it? I didn't do anything. It was like sprayed that way. Okay. That's you. Leslie, hurry! 2 buckets full of water for ourselves. This is hers. They're really cold. Okay. On the count of 3. 1, 2, I'm scared. 3. Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god. That water's so cold. Oh my god.
You shouldn't have put it in the freezer for that one.
But okay. I think we should go now. I think we should end the video now. Should we? Okay.